Welcome back, everybody. I told you I was going to do a video on a machine. Well, it's actually being borrowed, so here it is. This is a New Holland lx665 turbo skid steer. This came off the farm that I've mentioned before that I worked on. I was allowed to borrow it to do work around my house, which was desperately needed. Bucket pallet forks. I do believe this to be a 97 model. This thing is easy as all hell to run, and we did everything with this, from moving round bales to using the bucket for cleaning out everything. To change them is simple. Those two levers there, you pull up, release it, and then you just pull into the next implement. You see here, trying to think. This has 3,490.2 hours on it. Here's your throttle. Both joysticks are your forward, reverse, and steering. And down at the feet, there's this one controls the bucket doing this. This one raises and lifts the boom. Very simple. It does have this lever right here. Well, you push it out that way, will lock the boom in the upper position, so that if you have to work on it, you can easily. Tires are fairly new on it. This one does have the weight package on the back. See, 2 suitcase weights here, and 2 over here. This is going to be a short clip on this because I literally just got done doing what I needed to today, with the help of some friends too. But I wanted to do a quick clip on this. It will probably need a new bucket here shortly, as you can see. Got some rough spots in it, but it did well for what I did today. So, pretty much getting ready for the remnants of the hurricane coming. We actually felt rain drizzles like 10 minutes ago, so now I gotta go and get food and pizza for everybody that stayed, that helped. So, so that property I was brush hogging yesterday, I do have permission to make hay on it, or pretty much do whatever kind of farm work I want on it. I'd like to see about getting good hay to grow in there, but it's got a lot of goldenrod coming up, so if anybody has suggestions, do let me know, because I'd really like to work on getting the property set up, and I'll be going to get the equipment that is coming off that property that was given to me. So I'll be looking forward to that here soon. Other than that, everything's going pretty smoothly now, so we're just pretty much getting ready for winter. So, and that skid steer helped a lot. We stacked a bunch of logs that we cut down, and even some that were cut today, and did some cleanup, because, well, home improvements suck. Let's just leave it at that. So, but anyway, guys, I thought I'd do a quick clip on the skid steer. That is the first skid steer I ever ran. I did run a Gale one time, and I wasn't too fond of that, but anyway, if anybody has any questions in regards to that skid steer, I can answer them the best I can, so feel free to ask. Going to be doing one last brush hog job for my buddy that passed away. His mom did ask me at the services yesterday if I would still do it, so I will be doing that, and I'll do video clips of that too. If it don't interest you guys, that's fine. It'd be kind of for probably the last time I'll be on that property, because I do believe they intend to sell it. So, but anyway, from there, The brush hog is going to go over to the property where I was mowing yesterday, because he has no problem me keeping stuff over there, and he does have some bigger sheds that have like lean-tos built off them, so it'll be easier to keep them over there. And when the Alice Chalmers shows up, that tractor will go over there. So, but anyway, that'll about do it for today, guys. I really appreciate everybody who's keeps watching and following the videos. So I gotta do an update on scrap runs. I've had a good couple in the recent months that I just never got around to doing updates on that, so I'll get them up. And still got some more to move, so you guys can look forward to that, so if you look forward to it. But anyway, guys, I will catch you later, and hope everybody has a good week.